Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have your driving license number and any verification details to hand. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, open the DVSA app on a charged device and sign in with your GOV. UK account or verify credentials because the app needs identity confirmation before bookings. Next, tap the appropriate service, for example test booking, and start a new booking flow. Move quickly through screens, entering license details first so the app can show eligible services without delay. Now you choose exactly what you need. Pick practical or theory and indicate vehicle type and any special requirements. After that, search by postcode to list local test centers, sort by distance or availability because choosing a nearer center reduces travel risk. Then pick an available date and time. Make sure you read cancellation and reschedule rules so you know deadlines and fees. When the slot is right, enter payment details and confirm the booking so the appointment becomes official. Finish by reviewing the booking summary carefully and saving the confirmation. Download or screenshot it and note the booking reference so you can access it offline. On test day, bring your photo card license and confirmation, arrive 10 to 15 minutes early, and follow any arrival instructions. If something goes wrong, like payment failed or the app won't sign you in, clear the app cache, restart your device, retry sign in. And if that fails, call DVSA with your reference number so they can resolve it promptly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.